Hello everyone. We're going to bird paradise. Yes. Here we are. It's unfortunately raining, but that's fine. See, the floor's wet because it's all raining. And there's a bird. It's a duck. And there's more. Behind that, beside us are the flamingos. And there's the flamingos. And here's the pigeon. We are looking for birds. There they are. This is a colorful pigeon. And here is the cock of the rock. Look at how cute he is. This is the bird noise wall. If you touch the buttons here, you'll hear the chirping of the birds here. This is very loud. Here, this is the waterfall near the flamingos. The water is splashing me. It's refreshing because it's really rare to see a waterfall in Singapore like that. The spray from the waterfall is cooling me. Now we're here, after waiting for a long time, we're here to feed the birds. We have been waiting for a long time. And now we are getting the food, which is a soup. The birds love this. I don't. Look at how all the birds come towards us. See? Within 5 seconds we already got one bird. The food is really mouth-watering for them. They immediately fly towards our plate. Did you know that you're not supposed to touch the birds? They could bite you. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for feeding the birds. Look at how quickly they're finishing the food. And the other birds on the railing still want some food. I wish they could get some food, but in order to get more food, you have to buy it in advance online. Look at how cute they are. Oh wait, shit. They're fighting. Stop it. They've calmed down now.